Yo, them for know see a Bronx representing, you know. Alright, now we're smoking. And me I say, yo, I'm a little big country. I'm a little big reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me irate. Cause I'm a little big country and I'm a little bit reggae. Music hits in many different ways, so let the rhythm come and show you who you are. Don't force to move, just get into it. It doesn't matter where you are. Oh, Hawaii, California, Jamaica to Minnesota. Come and let your sweet vibes go. Nashville to Samoa, Mesa to Caledonia. It doesn't really matter where we go, cause I'm a little big country. I'm a little bit reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me irate. Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae. You speed on it feels right. You put your whiskey on high and then you pass it, Charlie. I burn it up because I want it. Well, I know I can refuse it. So DJ don't abuse it. Let it hold me, let it show me, let it be all the things it's supposed. Cause I'm a little bit country, I'm a little bit reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me irate. Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae. Well, I give love to reggae music. Country gets it too. Keep it going round and round. Reggae with my soul, country with my home. And I can say it loud and proud. So reggae carry on, country carry on, reggae carry on. Cause I'm tryna play a new song. Cause I'm a little bit country, I'm a little bit reggae. Sometimes I listen to Maoli while I sip on my whiskey. Got my watermelon moonshine and smoke to keep me irate. Cause I'm a little bit country and I'm a little bit reggae.